Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can see that s minus number 1, s minus number 1, they repeat again. So we can use about substitution. So I will put about v equals to s minus number 1. So now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about dv over dy. About this one that is about the s over dy. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. So because this one that is about the s over dy, so we need to divide both sides by dy over the s. So this one will have the s over dy. So s minus 1 we change by v. S minus 1 we change by v. Now we see that this one we change by dv over dy. So we have y, v, v, y. This is about the root number 1. So that is about homogeneous. And now I will put about v equals to y over t. Oh sorry, yt in here. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have dv over dy. First the derivative of t, we have dt over dy. Multiply by y. First the derivative of y, we have number 1, so we have t. And that is about the product rule of the derivative. So v we change by yt and yt in here. Dv over dy we change by this one. Next we simplify y for the both sides. Next I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by t minus 1. About t, I will put on the right. So negative, negative, I will put on the left. Now we do common denominator. So this one we have t square minus t. So now t minus t we cancel. This where I will put in here. Next I will put this one go to the left, dy and y go to the right. Next, we need to integral to the both sides. This one we can separate them in here. And now we have the final answer. the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 4 plus t squared. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 octane of t over 2. And I will put about c. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of y. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by y. And now we need to change t into v over y. Oh, sorry. This one. About v, that is about x minus number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.